Welcome back to our Thai language learning series. In episode 1 and 2, we embarked on the basics of Thai greetings, introductions, and how to ask how are you. We also explored the dual use of mai, for both asking questions and negation. Now, in episode 3, we dive deeper into constructing sentences in Thai, which will empower you to understand daily conversations better and start forming your own sentences with the vocabulary we've covered so far. Thai sentence structure typically follows the subject plus verb plus object format. Let's look at a simple example. I have a cat. In Thai, ฉันมีแมว ฉันมีแมว ฉัน I, me, have, แมว cat. In Thai, indicating whether an object is singular or plural usually depends on the context. To emphasize plurality, numbers, or specific words, หลายตัว means many can be used. To say, I have many cats is expressed in Thai as ฉันมีแมวหลายตัวค่ะ ฉันมีแมวหลายตัวค่ะ หลาย means many. ตัว a counter for animals or objects. To specify a plural situation, for instance, ฉันมีแมว3ตัวค่ะ ฉันมีแมว3ตัวค่ะ clearly means I have 3 cats. 3ตัว 3 units, literally 3 bodies or units, with ตัว serving as a counter for countable objects and 3, meaning 3. Continuing with another example of Thai sentence structure, we have, in Thai, ฉันกินไอศกรีมค่ะ ฉันกินไอศกรีมค่ะ กิน eat, ไอศกรีม ice cream. Another example, for a male speaker saying, I like chocolate in Thai, it would be
ผมชอบช็อกโกแลตครับ ผมชอบช็อกโกแลตครับ
ผม means I, used by males. ชอบ means like. ช็อกโกแลต ครับ a politeness particle used by males. In episode 2, we mentioned how ไม่ is used both for negation and ไหม for asking questions in Thai. The mai that has a tone mark, specifically the high tone mark, is mai, indicating negation or the concept of not. From there, let's see how we can form a sentence using mai and transition from our previous example to the question, do you like chocolate? When a woman wants to ask a man if he likes chocolate in Thai, she can use mai to turn the statement into a question. Here's how it's done. คุณชอบช็อกโกแลตไหมคะ คุณชอบช็อกโกแลตไหมคะ Following the question, do you like chocolate? Asked by a woman, a man's response in Thai could either affirm his liking for chocolate or deny it. Here's how both responses would be structured. If he likes chocolate, yes, I like chocolate.
Yes, I like chocolate. ใช่ ผมชอบช็อกโกแลตครับ ใช่ ผมชอบช็อกโกแลตครับ I don't like chocolate. ผมไม่ชอบช็อกโกแลตครับ ผมไม่ชอบช็อกโกแลตครับ
In Thai, ไม่ is placed before the verb to negate it, effectively turning an affirmative statement into a negative one. This compact and direct approach to forming negative sentences is a fundamental aspect of Thai grammar. A frequently encountered phrase employing ไม่ is ไม่ได้ which signifies the inability to do something or a prohibition against doing something. It combines ไม่ meaning not or don't, with ได้ meaning can or to be able to, resulting in the meaning cannot or can't. Another common usage of ไม่ is found in the phrase ไม่มี which means don't have or there isn't. Here, ไม่ negates the verb มี which means to have. For instance, ผมไม่มีรถครับ translates to I don't have car for a male speaker.
I don't have car. ผมไม่มีรถครับ ผมไม่มีรถครับ
As another commonly used expression, the phrase I don't have time is articulated by women in Thai as ฉันไม่มีเวลาค่ะ When we break down the sentence with spaces between the words, it looks like this. ฉันไม่มีเวลาค่ะ In this expression, ฉัน I ไม่ do not me have เวลา time. As we move on to the next step in our learning journey, let's focus on the placement of adjectives in Thai sentence structure. In Thai, adjectives follow nouns. This arrangement ensures that the object being discussed is identified first, followed by details of its characteristics or qualities. Understanding this structure is crucial for comprehending how descriptions are formulated in Thai. Let's examine this through an example. Consider the phrase big house. In English, the adjective big precedes the noun house. However, in Thai, the structure is reversed, with the adjective following the noun. The Thai translation for big house is บ้านใหญ่ บ้านใหญ่ where บ้าน means house, ใหญ่ means big. Let's use the example of บ้านสวย to simply explain why such expressions in Thai don't use a verb like to be. In Thai, the phrase บ้านสวย directly translates to house beautiful. In English, a similar expression would be the house is beautiful, whereas serves as a form of the verb to be, acting as a connector in the sentence. However, in Thai for such simple descriptive expressions, the noun, in this case, บ้าน meaning house is directly followed by the adjective สวย meaning beautiful without the use of a verb. So, when we say บ้านสวย in Thai, it conveys the meaning the house is beautiful, but this structure does not include the verb to be as in English. This feature of Thai sentence structure makes descriptions more direct and simple. The use of such direct descriptions in Thai reflects the simplicity of the language and its effective communication capability. Let's explore this concept with a new example to clarify how adjectives and nouns interact in Thai. Consider the phrase ผู้หญิงสวยมาก ผู้หญิงสวยมาก which means very beautiful woman. Here's the breakdown. ผู้หญิง woman, สวย beautiful, มาก very. In this example, beautiful directly follows the noun woman, as is typical in Thai sentence structure. To intensify the adjective, we add มาก very after the adjective, showing that the level of beauty is significantly high. This structure emphasizes the Thai approach to forming descriptive sentences, where the noun is presented first, followed by the adjective and any words that further describe or enhance the adjective. We've reached the end of this lesson, but I've prepared audio recordings of the Thai examples discussed in this video for you. Listening to this section and repeating the phrases to yourself will accelerate your learning. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it and share your thoughts in the comment section below. In the next episode, we'll focus on asking simple daily questions in Thai. Thank you for watching, and until the next video, take care.
I have cat. ฉันมีแมวค่ะ ฉันมีแมวค่ะ I have many cats. ฉันมีแมวหลายตัวค่ะ ฉันมีแมวหลายตัวค่ะ I have 3 cats. ฉันมีแมว3 ตัว ฉันมีแมว3 ตัว I eat ice cream. ฉันกินไอศกรีมค่ะ ฉันกินไอศกรีมค่ะ Do you like chocolate? คุณชอบช็อกโกแลตไหมคะ คุณชอบช็อกโกแลตไหมคะ
Yes, I like chocolate. ใช่ ผมชอบช็อกโกแลตครับ ใช่ ผมชอบช็อกโกแลตครับ I don't like chocolate. ผมไม่ชอบช็อกโกแลตครับ ผมไม่ชอบช็อกโกแลตครับ I don't have a car. ผมไม่มีรถครับ ผมไม่มีรถครับ
I don't have time. ฉันไม่มีเวลาค่ะ ฉันไม่มีเวลาค่ะ Very beautiful woman. ผู้หญิงสวยมาก ผู้หญิงสวยมาก